What's up, guys? It's Earning Edge Pro, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to get free stuff on Amazon. That's right, totally for free. I mean, like you want to get this hairdryer like the one I got a few months ago, or maybe a portable device. I don't know, whatever. That's right. Make sure you stick around to the end of the video, because I'm about to show you right now. Guys, if you're new here, make sure you do not hesitate to hit that subscribe button down below. We do lots of crazy stuff around here every single week, so make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any of these good stuff coming right up. So let's head right over to the Amazon website and see how this is done. All head over to Google search, right? So we head over to Google and just type in Amazon.com. So when it opens, we need to search for an item that we want to get for free. Let's say maybe a microphone could be anything. I'm just going to use a microphone. Okay, so microphone now, it's very important that you avoid going for very expensive items at first, since we want to get it for free. So, we're going to go with this. This cheap microphone right here costs only a few bucks, so this should be ideal. Okay, when the page loads, you got to customer reviews, scroll down towards the bottom of the page, and you see something like customer use, yet this customer reviews. This is where manufacturers interact with the buyers. So leaving a comment down here requesting for a free sample of the product would be the best native, so yes, there you have it. You don't leave a comment saying, hey, I'll bid YouTube or Instagram page, and I would love to promote your product, something like that. And when you do that, you send them the email. It'll probably take up to 3 business days for them to respond. When they do, hopefully it will need to give them that very product very easy or for you. Okay, that was video, guys. Helps you enjoyed it. Make sure you give me a like on this video and be sure to subscribe because I'm going to post another video tomorrow and it's going to be way cool. In this one, I'm sure you don't want to miss it. You know, you don't want to miss that video to make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.